Cartridge installation tutorial. Connect the power cable and power on. Press the power button to start the machine. Tap the settings icon on the home page to connect to available Wi-Fi nearby. Open Nail app. Open the cover on the front of the machine. Push the white switch above the cartridge case to open the cartridge case cover. Take out the no cartridge and install the cartridge in this direction. Close the cartridge hatch. Close the cover on the front of the machine. Tap the icon in the top left corner of the app. Click Replace Cartridge. Click Done. The ink cartridge is installed.